Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to discuss something that's really important to the health of your website or your blog, and that is getting comments for your blog post. Comments are very important because they do several different things. One is that they allow you to have engagement with your audience. People can come to your site and ask questions, get more information to which you can answer, and this allows you just, to be more personable with your audience. That's going to make them want to come back. And like I said, it's also going to give them more information that maybe you didn't cover in your blog post. And number two, it's very important for SEO. This is going to help you boost your rankings, and Google loves when there's engagement on the site, and getting comments is a great way to do this. So I wanted to discuss today the SiteComment platform. And this is a part of Wealthy Affiliate. This is, well, if you don't know, Wealthy Affiliate is the training platform and hosting platform that I use basically as my back office. It's the central part of my business online. And at Wealthy Affiliate they have a tool called SiteComments. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that a little bit more in depth today. I had briefly mentioned it in my other video that I'll also link below. You can go check that out, and it gives you a bit broader overview of what Wealthy Affiliate offers and what it's all about. And in this video, though, I'm just going to really dive into the SiteComment platform. So let's get started. So here I've already logged into my Wealthy Affiliate dashboard. And so this is what it looks like. And to get to SiteComments, we're going to go here to Websites. And right down here, SiteComments. Okay, so this is what the platform basically looks like. You have the ability to request comments for your websites, and you also have the ability to offer comments. This is the great thing about this platform. It's a give and take, and by offering a comment on someone else's website or blog post, you'll earn 1 credit. Okay, so to request comments, you need 2 credits. So you can either earn those by offering comments, so you would have to do that twice, or you can also purchase them or use your credits that you've gotten at Wealthy Affiliate by either offering trainings, or there's a bunch of different ways that you can do that. Referring people is another way that you can get credits. And so let's just dive into, well, as you can see before we get started, these are the comments that this is my job history. This is what I have gotten on my websites. These are my blog posts here. And here's my request, and here's what I've received. And you can sit here and view the comments that someone left. Okay, so there's a comment someone left me, there's another one, and they've been approved, and I usually approve and reply. You always want to reply, because that just, once again, creates another comment on your website, which is just more engagement, which Google loves. So, and you can see the comments I've offered. I like to offer comments to people, so these are the ones that I've offered and received my credit. So let's just see how this works now that you've seen that part of it. Let's first offer a comment. Oh, and before you go to offer a comment, you want to go to your settings. And here you're going to click on your interest. And this is going to help filter what you're going to be offering comments on. So I have these checked off. So this is what I'm going to be offering comments on. So I'm not going to have any websites come up that have anything to do with babies and infants. Okay, I'm not going to offer a comment about that. You want to pick things that you're knowledgeable about or that you're going to be able to offer a very good comment for. Okay, so let's go back. And so here's what comes up. So I'm going to be commenting on workfromyourlaptop.com with this blog post right here. And here it is. You just view the page and it opens up in a new tab. Okay, so this is the blog post that I'm supposed to offer a comment about. So what you want to do is read through the entire blog post. And I won't do that here, but you want to read through the entire thing. Don't skip it. Don't just try to get away with writing, oh, that was a great blog post. You want to offer quality engagement. That's the whole point of this platform. It's getting real comments from real people. Okay? So I would go through and I would read through this entire thing. And it's a pretty long one. That's okay though. So as you can see down here at the bottom, he already has a lot of comments. So this is probably where he's getting most of them, is from the WA, the Wealthy Affiliate SiteComment platform. And as you can see, there's the comments, and this is the author here, and he is, replying right back. It's perfect engagement, okay? So what I would do, now that I've read through the entire post, is I'd come back here, and all you do is enter your comment. This is a comment that you're going to be entering. You don't do it on the website. You want to come back to the platform here and do it right here. So here's where you would offer your comment. I haven't read the entire post, so I'm not going to do that right now. But once I come up with a comment that I want to offer, I usually like to include a question. That way the author has a chance to reply and answer my question. It's just a little easier to give them that opportunity to reply. So once I've done that, I just hit submit comment. And at that point, it goes into an approval stage where the author will approve. They approve and reply, and that's when you earn your credit. Okay, so now that you've earned enough credits, we can request comments for our own website. So let's go over there. Now, I don't have enough credits at the moment, but this is where you would do that. And you can request comments on your own blog post. Okay? And all you do is you pick which blog post. Right here there will be a menu. This won't be here. And there will be a menu where you pick the page or the blog post that you want a comment on. It's as simple as that. You click request comment and you wait for them to come in. The one thing that you can do is pick how many you want, depending on how many credits you have. And then also you can pick when you want them to come in. So if you want them all immediately, so let's say you wanted 5 comments because you have that many credits. If you want them all to come in right away, you can choose that option. If you want them to kind of come in intermittently in the span of say a week, you can pick that option as well. So that way that it doesn't look like they all just came in at once. That's kind of awkward and weird. I like to span them out. If I'm only getting one comment, maybe 2 comments, then I'll go ahead and do it immediately. That's not a big deal. But if I'm going to have any more than 2, I like to spread them out. But that's all. You can tailor that within this menu option when you request the comment. Okay, so that's an overview of the SiteComment platform. If you're interested in getting comments for your website, I highly recommend that you sign up with WA, with Wealthy Affiliate. I recommend this to everybody that wants to build a lasting business online, especially if you have a website and a blog posting. You can host it here, and then also get comments. These comments are coming from members of the Wealthy Affiliate community. Okay, so it's like I said, it's a give and take, and it's It's one of the best ways to get comments quickly. And not only just comments, but quality comments. Okay? And so I'll leave a link below where you can sign up at Wealthy Affiliate if you're not already a member. If you're already a member and you just haven't utilized the SiteComment platform, I urge you to do so because it's a great platform and it's going to benefit you in so many ways. And you're going to see results almost immediately, especially in your SEO rankings. Okay? All right, well, thank you for tuning in to this video. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.